Hey beautiful people, so welcome to a new video. So we will be doing a Shein haul today. So I'll be showing you guys 5 beautiful dresses that I picked up on Shein, and I think I got them between last week and this week. So in total there's 5 dresses and I'm super excited to show you guys. So we're just gonna actually try them on earlier today and just did a cute little video so I can put it on the screen so we'll be able to watch these videos together, and you and I can rate the dresses. And I'll also need your feedback, so please drop a comment down below. Tell me which one is your favorite dresses and which one you don't like, because within that 5 yeah, there's one that I don't think I really like. But yeah, but I'm looking for y'all feedback, and I will link the dresses down below if they're still available. So yeah, so we're gonna move on and jump into this. So the first dress. Oh, by the way, I'll be looking down because I have my list down below and all of that. So this mic I have to hold it in my hand because if I move it around constantly, then y'all gonna hear feedback. We really need to invest in a proper mic. Anyways, this is a haul video, so let's get into it. So the number one dress that we have is this cute black mermaid dress. So I love this dress. It's in a size extra small. I got it in, and it fits beautiful. You guys are seeing that's on the screen right now. I may put this to the left or the right of me. I have no idea what I'm gonna do yet. But yeah, it's very long. It's giving mermaid, the mermaid dress. Black is always beautiful. We all know you always have to have like a black dress in your closet. You can't have too much black dresses. Like, black dresses is a must. So yeah, so next thing that I love about the dress is the detail at the back. Y'all see that back? Very long split down in the back. It holds my curves, my cute little curves that I got and all of that. So this dress is definitely a plus for me. So drop your comment down below and tell me what you rate this dress as. Yeah. So we're gonna move on to dress number 2. So this is in a extra small, and this dress is giving vacation vibe, right? So it's striped dress. It's very colorful. It's very flowy. This will definitely look cute with a sandals or more than likely a sneakers. I think I would more than likely rock a sneakers with this dress based on how flowy it is. It's very detailed on the sleeves. I think I may have showed you guys that on the sleeve it's elastic sleeve, so it's definitely gonna fit great. And again, the size is small, and yeah, it's cute. It's just giving fun summery vibe. So let me know what your grade is for this one. Mine is definitely still a A plus. Yeah, we're working with an A plus with this dress. So we're gonna move on to dress number 3. So dress number 3 is this cute long red dress. It's giving date night. It's giving romantic. It's giving look at me. Look at this beautiful girl in this red dress. So I got it in an extra small, and let me just say this. It fits good, but there's a little, I think there's like too much space within the front part of it, and I think that's due to me losing weight because I think I'm getting small again. Yeah, I'm not like that tiny anymore. Well, I'm not that. I think in my belly area, I should say, I think I'm losing it a little bit of weight because in that belly area, in that red dress, it was just a little bit too loose. But I still can wear it. I definitely don't need to take it in. And I'm thinking, when I was looking at the video, I was like, yeah, I don't need to take it in because it doesn't look like that obvious when I'm wearing it. But it's very cute. I'm loving it. It has the rouge, and it's very, very long, y'all. In my sandals, it was to the floor. So if you rock this with a sandals, that is fine. Or if you want to rock it with a cute heel, definitely. It doesn't matter, it's your preference. But I'm in love with dress, and this dress is still an A plus for me, even though it's a little bit loose in the waist area. So drop a comment down below and let me know what y'all think of dress number 3. All right, so dress number 4, I took a size small, and let me just say this, I'm not too fond of this dress, and I think mostly is because of the looseness of it. I'm sure it may show in the video. I'm just not giving this dress. This dress is looking like a D for me, and Yeah, probably if I put on weight again, then it may fit how I want it to, but it's just not giving. But I do love the style of it. It's very long, very sexy. It's giving rouge at the side. I really love it. It's definitely great for a night out or a date night as well. I just probably need to take it in to the tailor and just have them do their thing. But overall, I still love it. Still love the style of it. What? Drop a comment down below and tell me how you rate it. Let me know. Is it a B? This is definitely not giving A. Is it this a B, a D, a C? I'm giving it like a D, F. But regardless of the fact, I think when I take it to the tailor, then I may feel a little bit better about it. So yeah. Anyways, we're gonna move on to dress number 5. So I am loving this one. This is one of my top favorite dress, the army color. It is giving. I just love those type of dresses with the color, the army green. It's giving. So this is in a extra small, and it fits perfect. You guys can see that in my body. It sits so well on my body. I am loving this. It's definitely giving date night. It's giving dinner out. It's giving dinner vibes. Like, drop a comment down below and tell me what you guys think. Just share your feedback, and I am grading it at A plus for sure, because the way how it fits me, and then as you can, you're looking at the video right now, and then the sleeves, they can go up or down. It's just, yeah, it's really very unusual and very nice. So yeah, comment down below and let me know what you guys think. And then the last dress, we're gonna move on to the last dress. I think this is my top favorite dress. So this dress is in a extra small, and it's giving tie and dye print. It is a dress. It definitely looks like a two-piece on the video, but it is a dress, y'all. Just as y'all know. Listen, the detail of this dress, it is so sexy. It's giving a vacation vibe. At an all-inclusive hotel that I love so much. Like, it's giving dinner vacation vibes at an all-inclusive hotel, or it's giving a private dinner on the beach with your boo. Very romantic. And you also the split in the center. It's giving a little boobs. My boobs did not slide out, so amen for that. But yeah, I don't know. I love this dress, and I can't wait to wear it. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think about it. It's giving vacay, right? Vacay vibe. Yeah. And then the back, beautiful. So you tie it at the neck and tie it in the back, and it's just beautiful. And the next thing is it is very flowy, and it is see-through a bit. So it has to, you have to be mindful where you're wearing this. So that's why I'm saying it gives a hotel vacay vibe, because when you're at the all-inclusive hotel, so it's definitely great for that type of vacation vibe. But it's beautiful, very flowy, and yeah, it's just a fun dress that you can definitely dress it up with. I would definitely just wear it with a sandals, and it's giving me to wear gold jewelry with this based on the color. What y'all think? But yeah, so that was the last dress. I hope you guys enjoyed the Shein haul. I love all my pieces except just one. I'm kind of like iffy about it, but I bought it, so I know I'm gonna wear it. So I'm gonna take it to have it adjusted so it can fit my body how I want it to be. But anyways, I really hope you guys enjoy the short Shein haul, and I'll definitely link it down below. Remember, if you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead and do so. I'm on Instagram, I'm on TikTok, everything is down below, and the links for the Shein is down below as well. And remember, I do have an Amazon storefront, so all the links are down below, y'all just click on it and just support whatever you can. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye, take care.